this little etude is very melodic and is teaching students how to connect the slurs, how to carry the sound and musical phrasing from one legato to the next legato. Make sure everything is very smooth. This whole tune should just be silky smooth, really, really, really nice. And pay attention to dynamics as well. There's some piano, some forte, and everything in between. So really try to make it interesting as you play. So your goal is not to overpress, just keep things moving very, very gently, very smooth, but never really lose control of what you're doing and what's happening. I want to take a moment to thank everyone on my YouTube membership. Thank you for your support, and also thank you everyone on my Patreon page. Thank you very much. Your support makes it all possible, and I want you to know that. Thank you very much.